Hi everyone. So today we have Philips 790. It's from 1970s, maybe early 1980s, in perfect cosmetic condition, and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? One thing I want to mention that FM mode goes up to 104 only. So half stations you won't be able to catch. So take in mind, okay? Right.
Остаются берега, и как не быстро течет. You said don't ever leak your secrets. You don't wanna be changed like you changed me. You said all the edges got so jagged now.
Okay. Now let's try the cassette. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Works perfect. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Not much light here, but this is how it came from factory. It's all original looks. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to middle waves mode. It's very simple, just switch it. Now you are on the Bluetooth mode, okay? Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait few seconds. Here it is. Now it's connected. All you have to do is go to YouTube or whatever you have on your phone, and play any music you want. Cool, right? Everything works fine. Let's try another song. And it's really simple to use. When you want to back to your regular radio FM mode, simple switch this one down to FM. Now you are on FM mode again. Okay guys, thumbs up.